So we're gonna actually run your first WDL. We're gonna run the hello world WDL, and it's a single task workflow. Like I said, it's only gonna run the hello task. It's running 2 commands here, and it's gonna take in a file called name.txt, but the parameter variable of that file is called my name. And it's gonna output to a file called hello.txt, and we're gonna expose that output for Cromwell to set aside for us. We're gonna run this workflow using the Dockstore CLI, using this Dockstore CLI command here, which will launch the local entry or something that's available on our local machine. It's gonna run the hello world WDL and then use the JSON hello.json. I'm gonna go ahead and run this workflow. So this is calling Cromwell under the hood. And Cromwell can be a little verbose in the execution. But you can see here, the workflow was successfully run, and our outputs, hello world, hello file, and it jumped out. The outputs of the hello world, hello file are available in this temp directory that Cromwell made for us. We go ahead and cat the contents of that directory. Say, hello world, my name is Potato. So normally Cromwell or WDL and other workflows are running in a special environment that will actually move these files and generate a GUI output. You'll learn more about those later. But when you're running it in a local machine or directly on the command line, you will get the actual programmatic output that we see here.